Many of you out there have been writing in and asking me for super quick, convenient dinners. And have I got a ripper for you? This is my duck ragu and it can be done in 15 minutes. So I'm going to make this with confit duck legs. This is a fantastic product to have in your fridge. All you need to do is preheat your oven to 190 degrees and reheat them for 15 minutes. They become crispy on the outside and just like confit of duck we all love so much, it is super soft in the centre. And look, see I can just pull that apart. Now usually confit of duck takes many hours to cook, but this is ready to go for us. So you can either use your hands or you can just use your knife just to pull the meat away from the bone. And this meat is so succulent and delicious. And the second leg, just pull that off the bone. See how easy that is to do. Now, while my duck was reheating in the oven, I prepared a quick tomato sauce, just some garlic, rosemary, white wine, and some tomatoes. And you can see it's cooked down. That only took 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add another secret ingredient of mine, which is dried porcini mushrooms. Rehydrate them into some water, and then you'll see they become quite soft like this. We'll add them. It's going to give this sauce a lovely earthiness, and some of this liquid gold, which is just like stock. So mushroom stock can go in, along with our cooked duck. And that is pretty much a sauce that would take 2 hours if you cooked it from scratch. This, 15 minutes. I'll give that a quick stir and we'll just allow those flavours to mingle for a moment while we cook gnocchi. Gnocchi and duck, they are just excellent together. So about 500 grams for 2 people. And I'll pop that into some rapidly boiling water. I've also seasoned it with some salt and they can go in. And gnocchi's fantastic because it takes only moments to cook. As soon as they come up to the surface, they're ready. Okay, gnocchi has come to the surface, so we're just going to pop that straight into the sauce. When you're making this dish, don't put the gnocchi on the plate and then the sauce on top. Get that gnocchi in that duck ragu because it's going to taste so much better. So last couple of gnocchi, and if some of the water goes in, even better. It's just going to help the sauce stick to the gnocchi. So we'll give that a toss. And did I mention this dish is 100% gluten-free? These are gluten-free gnocchi and the duck's gluten-free too. So let's serve this up. We'll pop a few generous spoonfuls of that into the middle. And to finish it off, some cheese. I'm just going to grate that straight over the top. Let it rain. Some of this cacio pepe cheese. I love the pepper in this. And just for some extra sheen, some extra virgin olive oil. Duck ragu in 15 minutes with gnocchi. Who would have thought, you know what, sometimes we need to give ourselves a break and cheat a little.